So hello guys, welcome to this video. We have with us Akshay. So Akshay is from CSSS Branch. He is currently studying in third year.
So basically, first of all, with respect to CSSS Branch, I want to break the myth. That is basically, they think it's totally different from the CSE. But when we compare the first two years, the courses which we study are almost similar to the CSE, because the core courses like data structures and algorithms and advanced programming, operating system and DBMS are also done by the CSSS students. So basically for the first 2 years there is no difference between us and the CSE students. And then comes the second part, that is third and the fourth year, wherein the CSE students would be doing CSE credits and open electives, but we'll be doing the same open electives, but instead of CSE electives, we need to complete some social science credits. But we can also do the computer science credits in those open electives.
Okay. So Akshay, can you tell me, do you get time for doing competitive programming and basically get time for yourself to learn coding and stuff?
Yeah, it's basically similar for all the branches. It all depends on how we manage the things, because every branch has their specific courses which requires some time to be put. So we need to manage the things, and definitely we get the time to do the things.
So how it is like, what are the difference in opportunities which you get in terms of like other branches which they get? Is there any differences in the opportunities you get in CSSS instead of CSE?
See, recently what happened was, during the internship process, most of the companies did not allow the CSSS students to sit in the placements, though we have done all the courses similar to that of CSE. Because I heard from some issues, because basically a document would be given to the placement, the people who are related to that placement from that company, and they look at the courses. So there might be some misconception regarding these people are doing only social science students, not doing technical. But that's not an issue. Placement office and the placement team, placement cell will look into it. I think the issue has been resolving now.
Okay, so like how many subjects, like what are the subjects, like what you basically learn, like how you implement computer science in sociology? Like, can you give us a brief idea of what kind of subject it is, what kind of basically branch it is, like what is the problem they are solving?
See, basically it's computational social science, like where we apply the methods of computer science methods in the social science data. Let me give an example of, like I did a course called Research Methods in Social Science and Design, wherein people think that designing an app is about the computer science process, but in the designing the app there are a lot of factors need to be considered, like who are using the app, what are the expectations, and sometimes wherein the tech may not look into those issues. Like there are some social science perspectives need to be looked, even it is a tech product.
Okay. So you basically do the back-end work of basically researching about...
Yeah, more about the research works, like ethnographic methods and the survey.
Usability and
doing
surveys.
Like you can think it as user experience research.
Okay.
Like I have said you right, like in the research methods and social science design, we studied about how, like they had various discussions, like why the Netflix sales have been increased, why the Nokia has failed. And there was a lecture too. There was a complete session on how this IKEA became a $1 billion industry and $1 billion business. See, like as we see, the digital technology is improving, so the data we get from the people, the social footprint is also increasing. So I basically advise you to do more research on computational social science. It is a very emerging field, because as the technology is improving, lot of data is being generated. So there are like various techniques like how this data can be used. So I basically give an advice to do more research about the computational social science before taking this branch.
People ask me about whether we should take CSSS or not, but after
and one more thing I need to mention, not only about the tech companies, recently there was a discussion in the placement cell also. They were also ready to bring the non-tech roles, like mostly consulting groups and other marketing and strategy operations, etc. So if someone is interested a little bit in technology and more about this strategy consulting, then CSSS would be a good option.